Find out how I removed the discoloration and made them look almost brand new. So join me today. They had all these dark marks all over them. I'll be cleaning my son's shoes. They need a little bit of attention, as you can see. And I'm going to be using the pink stuff. This is my favorite. Any cleaning toothbrush that you've got. And then I'm going to grab the pink stuff. Get a sponge. Scrub. Might have added a little bit too much, but let's go. This is all the shoes now. So much better than they looked when we first started, and I'm quite pleased with that. All I have to do now is just do the laces. Do you know, funny thing is, I have not actually, when I was pregnant with my son, almost 2 years ago. I did the laces like this because I just could not bend. So I did the laces like this. And I've kind of not actually taken the laces out the way since the way that I left them 2 years ago. So now I just quickly slip my foot in and I just go, to fit my mummy stage where I am right now. I need to quickly put my shoes on and run after them. But yeah, that's it for me today. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and you found it to be helpful, informative. If you did, please let me know in the comment section below, or consider subscribing to the channel for more content. I upload twice a week, every Tuesday and Friday. If that's your type of vibe, or that's the type of stuff you're looking for, this is where you'll find it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. That's it from me. You guys have a lovely day. Bye.